All right. Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. V. Today we're going to go over the solution for question number 8 from your homework on page 66. All right, step 1, you want to label your A, B, and C. So this is written in standard form, which is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So I'm just going to go ahead and label this here. So I know A is 3, B is 6, and C is equals to -2. Remember that A is positive, so I know it opens upward. Just little notes for me so that when I come back, I can actually know that it's going upward. Also, this pen right here, you can use this pen here, it's a little thin. I normally like to use the marker here, which is a little thicker. So if you want to go back and erase this, you can do 2 ways. You can use this eraser here, or you can also just go back right here, right? And that's pretty much it. All right, so I'm gonna just go over the solution here. And I know that this is gonna open upward, so I'm just gonna grab my marker, choose the color red, and just know that this will open upward, right? Okay. Now, what else I have to do? So I can put right here, okay, step 1 is done. Let me do step 2 now. Find the axis of symmetry. All right, well, this is not that bad because all I have to do is, I already know A and B, plug it in here, and we'll see what happens. So let me see. You can actually just type it in here. So x equals -b, that's going to be -6 divided by, I have a symbol here for division, divided by 2 times 3. Okay, well, I know here 2 times 3 is 6. That's going to give me -6 divided by 6, which of course will give me -1. So my vertex, not my vertex, but my axis of symmetry will be equals to -1. And I'm not sure if you can just change part of the writing to one color. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Let me see. I think it's gonna change the whole thing. Like if I wanna change this to a different color. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Let me see. Let me try again, just in case. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but it wants to do the whole thing. Let's say I want to do this and I want to change it to red. Yeah, it will do the whole thing, so it doesn't work. All right. Okay, our next thing is to find the vertex. Okay, so find the vertex. To find the vertex, we need to input this value into the function right here. All right, so you can get this function if you want. You can copy and paste it, or you can just do it from scratch. I think I might just do it from scratch. So h of -1 will be equals to 3 parentheses -1 square. I'm gonna use this symbol right now because that's all I have in this Jamboard here. So plus 6 times -1 minus 2. All right, and let me do my math over here. I know this will be equals to -1 squared will be 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And I know 6 times -1 will be -6. So -6 minus 2. There we go. We're making progress. H of -1 will be equals to, you can just do it right here. So 3 minus 6 will be -3, and -3 minus 2 will be -5. Okay, so then we can conclude that the vertex will be equals to, well, the axis of symmetry is -1, and then the output when I input -1 is -5, so my vertex will be -1, -5. Yeah, that looks good. Right, and then just click, just move this a little bit, but like, don't stress about it. Let me see if I can make this a little smaller. There, that's fine. Okay, so that's my vertex right here. I may want to box this one, so I'm gonna box it. And I want this to be color red. I'm just not sure if I can change the color. Oh yeah, right here. Change the color, red. I can just put it right here. And then you want this to be clear, transparent. There we go. All right, and then let's graph this one now. So let's go ahead and graph the axis of symmetry. So to take a straight line, you can actually go right, let me double check. You can go right here to the marker. And to do a straight line, if you just do this, it's not gonna do it. But if you hold the shift key, now it has a straight line. Okay, so watch my keyboard here. You might not be able to see, never mind. So let me clear this out. So when you grab this marker here, and we use red, you have to hold the shift key. Maybe I should type that. Hold the shift key when making a straight line. It's like a hint, right? I'll just put it here somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna hold the shift key, and I have to graph at -1, so that'll be like right here. Hey, we did it, right? And then I had to graph my vertex, which is at -5, so I'm gonna put a circle here, and I want this to be filled in, and then I don't want any frame in it. Oh, I guess that's fine. There, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I don't want any frame missing. I guess you're gonna have to have a frame. But let me check if I can get a different color. I'll just stick with the red. Oh, let me see. I'm not sure why it's not giving you. Give me 1 second. All right, so we're going to insert a circle here. And I'm just gonna keep it like that. This is the smallest you can make it. You can make it smaller than that. I'm gonna keep it this color here. And we're just gonna grab this point and we're gonna put it on the vertex, -1, -5. Now that's gonna be super big, so maybe we should not do that. I'm gonna just stick with this one here. Okay, and then I'm gonna graph -1, -5. So let's see, -1, -1, 2, 3, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be like right here, right there. I think this is better. We decided that's gonna open upward. They do want you to pick 2 points and then graph it. So I'm gonna do that real quick here. I can pick 0. So let's find h of 0. And that's gonna be equals to 3. I can actually do that in my head. So I'll still show you the work. All right, so there's my work. H of 0 is going to be 0 squared is 0 times 3 is 0 plus 6 times 0, which is 0, which the answer will be just -2. So my point here is if x is 0, y is -2. Okay. And of course, you have to do it one more time, but I think for this video, I'm just going to do it once. All right, let's see. So 0, -2, 0, -2, that will be like right here. Like I said, I know this parabola will open upwards, and I know there's a parabola, so it has to be symmetrical. If it's a point here at 0, -2, there's gonna have to be a point right here, right across from it, which in that case will be -2, -2. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I can pretty much get a graph now that opens upward. Let's see. I don't think any of the shape will do. I just have to do it by hand. Hey, there we go. That's not bad. And if you want to say you want to use a different color because it's the graph itself, let me change it here. Okay, so another point that I picked was -2. So another point was -2, comma, -2, right? And then of course, like I said, you can pick another point, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna stop there. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have questions. Oh, wait, one more thing I forgot to tell you. This here can be saved as a picture, so or as an image or as a PNG. So if you're doing your homework here, question number 8, right? So actually, don't need that, don't need that, I don't need that either. So if you want to do this question here, okay, you just do here. You just want to say question number 8. Right, and then you just paste it there. How would you transfer this nice work that you did, right? So you go right here, and then you don't have to make a copy. You can actually go and just save frame as an image. Okay, so one more time, go to 3 dots. They call it the skinny snowman. Go to 3 dots here, and then just save frame as an image. And you only save in this frame. You're not saving anything else. So it's saving it for you. Make sure that you give it the same title that you give over here, so it's easy for you to find it. Yeah, it's already there. I'm just gonna save it. You can put it where you want to put it. I'm already putting it here into the iCloud drive. I'm gonna save it, and notice here is downloading for me, right? So that's my work. I'm just gonna go back here. I already have a place to paste it, so I'm just going to put it right there at the count of 1, 2, and 3. And there's my beautiful work, you guys, for question number 8. Okay, look at that. How beautiful is that, you guys? Awesome. Except for this one, that's not that beautiful, right? But other than that, it's pretty decent, pretty good. I don't know why that didn't really show up, but for me, it's not a big deal. For some of you, it might be, but I'm okay with that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Maybe, like I said, if you don't want to box it, then I guess you don't have to. But you could do this here. You can do your marker, inches there. All right, that's fine too. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was useful. So I trained you in two things, well, maybe three things: how to use the tools here on Jamboard, and how to find the axis of symmetry, how to find the vertex, and how to sketch the graph here, just with plain plotting points, right? We didn't use decimals here. We can use decimals to verify, but we don't need it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.